Namaskar. It is my pleasure to invite you all to Unani Day 2026, which is observed every year on 11th February as Unani Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of the eminent physician and visionary leader Sri Hakim Ajmal Khan Ji. This year, the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India is celebrating Unani Day 2026 by organizing a two-day National Conference on Unani Medicine on 14th and 15th February 2026, organized by Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine. This day highlights the important contributions of Unani Medicine to our healthcare system. The theme of this National Conference is Innovation and Evidence in Unani Practice, which aptly connects the Unani system's glorious heritage with its forward-looking vision. Unani medicine holds an important and well-established place in India's traditional healthcare ecosystem. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and guidance from our Honorable Minister, Ayush Minister Sri Pratap Raj Jadhav ji, Ayush systems have received strong support. This includes support for Unani through enhanced healthcare infrastructure, research collaborations, educational reforms, and global outreach. The establishment of the WHO Global Traditional Medicine Center at Jamnagar, Gujarat, and the successful organization of the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine is in New Delhi reflect India's growing global leadership and commitment to advancing traditional medicine on the basis of evidence. Ministry of Ayush remains firmly committed to strengthening healthcare delivery system through the convergence of traditional knowledge and contemporary scientific evidence, and to ensuring accessible, safe, and effective healthcare for all. Unani medicine has a special place for all these endeavors of Ministry of Ayush. Once again, I extend warm wishes to all on the occasion of the Unani Day. Thank you.